Crystal, and I have my December Citrus Twist kits. These are the Pleasant Valley kits. I just got them. I just opened up the box. I had some other things in the box that I'm going to share in another video, so I've just taken the two kits out. I have both the Pocket Life kit and the scrapbook kit to share with you, so I am going to open them up and see what's inside. Let's start with the Pocket Life kit. So as I said, this is the Pleasant Valley kit for December of 2018. So here is the little free card that we always get in the kits, and it looks like they are going to start selling albums next year. So that is very cool. I look forward to seeing those. Let's start with the cards, the 3x4 cards for this month. So, finding magic in the smallest of things. Keep some room in your heart for the unimaginable. First we, then we. It's about to get real good. Joy. So you can see a lot of these will work in December daily, but they will also work in regular Project Life as well. So let's stay home. Life is better in pajamas. And a little floral. Musings. And a really pretty plaid in pink and red. In the comfort zone. And a notebook paper with a little place for stamping or journaling. Details. And another just blank gray card. Little house with some journaling lines. That's adorable. This little beanie hat with these kind of multicolored dot lines below. I love that one. You are my home. You are my adventure. And a little heart. Some stars in blue. And unbridled joy. Wishes. And a floral. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all we need is each other. Very cool. I will definitely be using some of those in my December daily this year. So next let's take a look at the papers and the 4x6 cards. So there are two 4x6 cards. There's This Is Us and a blue floral on the back side, and then this kind of snowflakey print and Looking for the Light in Everything. Love those. And of course we get the cut apart label sheet like every month, and then some Citrus Twist Kit exclusive papers. So these are all 6x8. I think this is it's got to be my favorite. I really love this. I think it's beautiful. And then a stripe in kind of a pink and yellow, a kind of pine print. Very cool vintagey paper. Another stripe, really pretty pink and red floral. Oh, well, maybe there. This story documented, I love this one too. And then a black and white cross pattern, a pink, a blue and dark blue chevron, this kind of wood grain, and a kind of plaid in lighter colors. I think that one would look really, really nice with that first one. So very cool. The alpha this month is maybe one of my favorites. I love that it is in so many different colors. So you can definitely pick like one color and make a word, or you can mix and match and make it a multicolor word. I'm very excited to use these. We also get puffy stickers. So there are those. There are hearts and stars and some little circles with sayings and icons in them. Love a good puffy sticker. I also love a tiny word sticker. So these are this kind of dark teal color that if I'm guessing right will go really well with the Merry Days collection. So I may be using these in my December daily. We also got some little wood veneer pieces. Let me open those up and take a closer look. These are super thin, so they're really perfect for pocket pages. They won't add a whole lot of bulk to your pages. Or they'd also be really good in a traveler's notebook. They're super thin. I don't know if you can see that, but they're very thin. So one says sweater weather, leaves are falling. Oops, pick that up. Pumpkin spice, so charming, bold adventures, fiercely wonderful, and wild and beautiful. Those are very cool. The stamp for this month is this one that has these block words like week in photos and discover new things, and then there's one that says documented, and these other ones will fit inside. So special, true story, just this, perfect, favorite, love this, all good, and trying. And then finally the ephemera pack, which of course is packed full like always. I'll let you take a look at the back of it instead of opening it up. I'm really loving these kind of vintagey looking ones, like the best coffee and delicious food. It's time for fun. Those are super cool. All right, so that is the Pocket Life kit for December. Now let's take a look at the scrapbook kit. Oops. So I don't actually subscribe to the scrapbook kit yet. But this is the second month in a row I've purchased it, mostly because of the whimsical bits and pieces that have been in them. So last month's kit had a whole lot of whimsical, the Paige Evans for Pink Paisley collection, and then this month had this set of thickers from the whimsical collection, and they were sold out everywhere I had looked to purchase them separately online. So this was really the thing that tipped my decision in favor of buying this kit. I think they're gorgeous and I'm so excited to use them. The other thing that really drew me to this kit was the fact that we also got a few pieces from the new Journal Studio. This is the Crate Paper Journal Studio. So we got the die cuts. You can see there's tons in there. I don't know, oh here, that will show you everything that's inside. It's just beautiful stuff. I really love the florals and the color palette of this collection. I guess it's kind of a collection. And then also the puffy stickers, which are just adorable. I love that little butterfly and the swans and the bird. So cute. Okay, we also got this sticker sheet from Heidi Swapp. It's Emerson Lane, that's what it is. I keep wanting to say Auburn Lane, but that's the other collection. So, so it's a double-sided sticker sheet with this full sheet of labels, which is gonna come in so handy. I love that. Then we also get another cut-apart label sheet. We got some of these little arrow paper clips, a few pieces of twine. It's a very nice, thick twine. I like that. The stamp set is again boxes that these little words will fit into. So the top one says enjoy the now, and the smaller one says in one word, and then there's let's stay in, such fun, by the fire, around here, joyful, taking pictures, love these people, love, beautiful view, and feeling. Very cute, cool. Of course we get the sketches for the month, and then it's down to the papers. So this first one is from Emerson Lane by Heidi Swapp. It's called Easy Peasy, and it's got a bunch of cut apart bits on this side, and then this really gorgeous blue, like navy blue and white polka dot on the back side. This one is, from Jen Hadfield's Along the Way. I don't have any of this collection yet, but I am really loving everything I've seen, so I'm excited to have a few pieces from that. This is kind of a citrusy print, and then the other side was a yellow and like a light pink stripe. This is from Chamel's Head in the Clouds. Again, another collection that I don't have anything from yet. I really love this pink ledger piece. Another paper from Emerson Lane by Heidi Swapp. This is Harrison. I love this cut apart. It reminds me of the Maggie Holmes one from a few years back, but this wood grain is really cool as well. This one is also from Along the Way by Jen Hadfield. This floral is just absolutely gorgeous. I'm so excited to use that. But I also really love this kind of leaf print on the back, so it's going to be hard to decide which side to use. Another piece from Emerson Lane. This is Sweet Nothings. So there was a floral and then a stripe on the back. Another Head in the Clouds piece. I really love this kind of whimsical foliage print. And a dark green and light green polka dot on the back. A piece from Merry Days, which will definitely come in handy. So there's, this is tinsel, so there are these evergreen kind of pine needles on this side, and then this beautiful plaid on the back. We also got a piece from Indigo Hills 2, which I'm sure you have seen people use this paper because it is all over the place, and I didn't have it, so I'm excited to give it a shot and see what I can come up with. But I do love this side as well. I think I'll probably be using this one though. Another piece from Along the Way, and this is adorable. The little snails and birds and turtles. I love this, and the colors are beautiful as well. And then the other side is another green on green print, and then of course we get 2 pieces of white cardstock as well. So that is the Pleasant Valley Scrapbook Kit. I'm excited to dig in and get some use out of these, along with the Pocket Life Kit as well. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them below. I'll do my best to get back to you. Otherwise, I will see you back here soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.